Today we're looking at Staples with ticker symbol SPLS. They're the world's leading office product company with about 80% of revenue coming from North America and Canada, with the remaining 20% coming from international operations. They operate about 2,300 stores, mostly in the US and Canada, with much fewer in Europe, in European countries including the United Kingdom and Germany, and they also have an initial start in China as well as Argentina and Brazil. So their main growth areas include metropolitan markets where they're not yet present in the US, as well as longer term in South America and Asia. The last quote from Friday was $12.74. This table shows us the earnings per share for Staples for the last 7 years, which allows us to derive the price to earnings multiple. The current one, 9.10, while the 7-year average multiple is 10.49. So Staples is definitely looking interesting from a value perspective. Here we see the capital to liabilities ratio, which is 2.9, so indicating solid financial health for Staples. The return on invested capital numbers also are quite good, with the most recent year 10%, while the 5-year average 10.7%. The 52-week range goes from $11.94 to $16.93, so clearly we're on the lower end of that range, with the current dividend yield also significant for Staples, 3.45%. Of course, the risks for Staples are they're tied to the consumer as well as business spending, which with any double-dip recession or slowdown in the economy, of course, they would be impacted. Here we see a chart for Staples for the last several months, and we see that it's been pretty volatile and especially negative in the last two or 3 months, like the general market also. But as seen from the previous slide, it's definitely led to Staples now providing a good opportunity for a value investor. So the current price level around here looks interesting, and it started to find support also with the 3.45% yield that was mentioned. So that sums it up for this edition. Remember to check the site with the address here for the next post. Thanks. Bye.